Hi, I am here at YogaSix, a locally owned Glenview woman-owned business owned by Suzanne Rossi, and I am here with Kira Marr, who manages the yoga studio. Make sure to watch till the end of the video when Kira gives us her top secret reasons why it's so important for everybody to practice yoga. So Kira, tell us all about YogaSix, one of my favorite places to come in Glenview.
Oh, thank you so much. Happy bunch over here. And my favorite part about YogaSix is really the community. We have a great community that come together, and we do stuff outside of the yoga studio as well.
Like going for breakfast after class?
Exactly. Or drinks later in the night.
Right.
You know, we do stuff like that every day pretty much over here. So come on over and join us.
So what kind of classes does YogaSix offer?
So we have 6 different formats. We have about 25 classes a week, plus in our Wilmette studio we have another 25. So if you become an unlimited member with us, you can do both studios. And our classes range from really sweaty and hot and fitness to very chill,
restorative yoga,
right? Exactly.
Balancing classes.
Exactly.
I'm trying to learn how to do my handstands.
I know. There's all sorts of different stuff.
Yeah, really great. And the thing that I really love about it is there's an app. So on the app, it's super easy to register for classes. Right.
You download the app, you go in and you can register for classes, you can cancel your classes, you can book all sorts of workshops and things right there in the
and then
palm of
save
your hand.
them to your calendar automatically.
Right.
Which is fabulous.
Right.
So live and die by
and
that.
it does, yeah, exactly. And it does give you a reminder, so you should never miss a class.
Fantastic. So now, what about different packages? Like, what if, someone might not have the ability to come to yoga 3 or 4 times a week?
Right, and so we have different packages. We have the unlimited that Vittoria is doing. We have twice a week pack. We have once a week membership. And we also have a 10-pack.
Right, so 10-pack you can use anytime over the course of a couple months?
6 months.
Oh, 6
actually.
months.
So
that
it's easy.
Is really great.
Right.
Okay,
Yeah.
so please let us know why you feel it's so important for everybody to practice yoga.
Right. A few years ago, Harvard did a study regarding what the 3 best activities that you can do to lower your cortisol level. And one was deep prayer, one was meditation, and one was yoga. So whether you like it or not, when you come to yoga, it will automatically change the way you form hormones. It will change your life. And I think that's
100%.
right.
It has changed my life. I do yoga because I go 110 miles an hour all the time. And that's not always such a good thing. And yoga is actually very hard for me because it's hard for me to slow down and really be mindful, but it's a really great brain, so it's mind, body, and soul. I truly believe that it's the perfect thing where you get the trifecta of mind, body, and soul.
It really is. You get strong, but also you get heartful, right? You think about what you're doing, becoming aware, and then you're lowering your cortisol levels.
Which we all
It's a win-win.
Well, thank you so much for letting us know about this fabulous studio.
Thank you so much.
In Glenview and Wilmette. Yeah. Locally owned and managed by 2 fabulous women.